Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class.
Students, today we are going to learn something new and exciting, subtraction. Say it with me, subtraction. On page number 41. So students, look at the page number 41. Subtraction means taking away or removing things. When we take away, the number becomes less. For example, look, there are 5 birds sitting on the grass. Now 2 birds flew away. Let's see how many birds are left. We count 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2 equal 3. Say it with me. 5 minus 2 is equal 3. Activity number 2 में देखिए. There are 7 cupcakes. We take away 3. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 minus 3 equal 4. We have 8 candies. We eat 2 candies. How many candies are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 8 minus 2 equals 6 and 5 minus 4 equal 1 and 9 minus 6 equal 3. Wow, you did amazing. So students, remember subtraction means taking away. Very good. Keep practicing your subtraction and always count carefully. Bye.